Next we're going to find the three buttons. These are the input and output device that will allow you to communicate your intentions with the unit. We're going to take the pair of needle nose pliers and we're going to straighten the legs on the buttons just a little bit. It makes them a little bit easier to go into the PCB because they're kind of a firm fit into the hole usually. And so I like to just straighten my buttons up before I put them in. It makes them less of a struggle. Otherwise you're going to end up rocking and you may bend or break one of the legs on the button. And so then I'm going to take and line those two legs up, and then with my thumbnail I'm going to push these other two legs into the hole, and then I'm going to rock the button down until it seats firmly against the board. It's important that the buttons sit nice and flat on the board and that it has a nice action to it and clicks like it's supposed to. A little overzealous with that one.